Hello, and welcome to Learn English with Stories, where you improve your English by listening to clear, slow English stories. My name is Sam, and I'm from Germany. I created this video to help English learners just like you learn English in a relaxing and natural way. This video is perfect for beginners, intermediate learners, anyone who wants to listen and speak better. You will hear a short story. Then we'll learn some new words, practice speaking, and do a fun listening challenge. No grammar lessons. No boring textbooks. Just real, simple English. Are you ready? Let's begin. Let's begin with the story. The title is Mobile Phone, the Lost Phone. Listen carefully. You don't need to understand every word the first time. Just relax and enjoy the story. It is a quiet afternoon. The sky is gray. The clouds are heavy. It's about to rain. Emma is walking home from school. She is 16 years old. She wears a yellow raincoat and carries a black backpack. Emma likes to walk. She listens to music on her way home. But today, she forgot her headphones. So she just walks and watches the world. As she walks near the bus stop, she notices something on the bench. It's small. It's black. It's shiny. She gets closer. It's a phone, a smartphone. She stops. She looks around. Nobody is near. The bus stop is empty. The road is quiet. She picks up the phone. The screen is wet from the light rain, but it's still on. Suddenly, a message pops up. It says, "Hey, I'm waiting for you. Where are you?" Emma looks around again. Still no one. She feels a little nervous. She thinks, someone lost their phone. What should I do? She decides to wait. She sits on the bench, holds the phone in her hands, and looks down the road. Cars pass. People walk by. But no one comes for the phone. 5 minutes pass. Then 10. Still nothing. Suddenly, the phone rings. Emma jumps a little. She hesitates. Then she answers. "Hello." A woman's voice says, "Hi. Did someone find a black phone?" Emma says, "Yes, I did. I found it at the bus stop." The woman sounds so happy. "Oh, thank you. That's my phone. I just left the area. I will come back now. Please wait for me." Emma smiles and says, "Sure. I'll wait." A few minutes later, a woman arrives, breathing fast. She looks worried, but when she sees the phone, her face lights up. "You found it," she says. "Thank you. I thought I lost everything. My contacts, my photos, my work." She takes the phone and holds it close. Emma smiles and says, "I'm glad you got it back." The woman says, "You are very kind. Not everyone would wait like that." Emma just smiles again and says, "It's okay. I know how it feels to lose something." The woman thanks her again. Then she walks away. Emma gets up, puts her hands in her coat pockets, and continues walking home. It starts to rain, but Emma doesn't mind. She feels good, warm even in the rain, because sometimes doing something small, like waiting at a bus stop, can make someone's day. That was the story. The Lost Phone. Well done for listening all the way. Don't worry if you didn't understand every word. In the next part, we'll learn key vocabulary together and repeat it out loud for speaking practice. Welcome to Part 2, Vocabulary Review and Speaking Practice. Now that you've listened to the story, let's learn some of the most useful words and phrases from it. You'll learn how to pronounce them, what they mean, and how to use them in everyday sentences. Repeat each word and sentence after me. Let's begin. Vocabulary Word 1, raincoat. Raincoat, a jacket that keeps you dry in the rain. Emma wears a yellow raincoat. I wear a raincoat when it rains. Vocabulary Word 2, bench. Bench, a long seat, usually found outside. There's a phone on the bench. I like to sit on a bench in the park. Vocabulary Word 3, pop up. Pop up, to appear suddenly on a screen. A message pops up. A new message popped up on my phone. Vocabulary Word 4, wait. Wait, to stay in a place until something happens. Emma decides to wait at the bus stop. I will wait for you here. Vocabulary Word 5, kind. Kind, nice, helpful, or caring. You are very kind. She is always kind to others. Direct hit quick recap. Let's repeat the 5 words again. Raincoat, bench, pop up, wait, kind. You're doing great. Speaking practice. Full sentences. Now let's practice some full sentences from a story. Emma wears a yellow raincoat. She finds a phone on the bench. A message pops up on the screen. She decides to wait. The woman says, "You are very kind." You've just reviewed 5 new vocabulary words and practiced full, natural English sentences. This is exactly how your English improves. The more you speak out loud, the more confident you become. Welcome to Part 3, the Listening Challenge. Now it's time to test your listening and memory. I will say a sentence from the story, but I will leave out one important word. Your job is to listen carefully and say the missing word out loud. Let's begin. Listening question 1. Emma wears a yellow underscore. What is the missing word? Yes, raincoat. The full sentence is, Emma wears a yellow raincoat. Listening question 2. She finds a phone on the underscore. What's the missing word? That's right, bench. The full sentence is, she finds a phone on the bench. Listening question 3. A message underscore on the screen. Can you remember it? Correct. Pops up. The full sentence is, a message pops up on the screen. Listening question 4. She decides to underscore at the bus stop. Think about it. Yes, wait. The full sentence is, she decides to wait at the bus stop. Listening question 5. The woman says, "You are very underscore." Do you remember this kind word? Yes, kind. The full sentence is, the woman says, "You are very kind." Now, let's try 2 full sentence questions with more than 1 word missing. Sentence 6. Emma wears a underscore and carries a underscore. What are the missing words? Yes, raincoat and backpack. The full sentence is, Emma wears a raincoat and carries a backpack. Small blue diamond. Sentence 7. She picks up the phone and a message underscore. That's right, pops up. The full sentence is, she picks up the phone and a message pops up. Great job. You listened carefully. You remembered key words. And you're training your ears to understand real English. This is how you grow, by listening, repeating, and remembering. Closing. Keep practicing and believe in yourself. Congratulations, my friend. You made it to the end of this full English practice session. Let's take a moment to think about what you just did. You listened to a complete story in English. You learned new words. You practiced speaking clearly and confidently. You tested your listening and memory. And you even took part in a role-play conversation. That's amazing. You're not just learning English. You're building a skill, a powerful, life-changing skill that will help you study, travel, work, and connect with people all over the world. And the best part? You're doing it step by step, at your own pace, with clear English, with simple practice, and with a calm, focused mind. So many people give up when learning a new language. But not you. You're here. You stayed. You practiced. That shows discipline, motivation, and real progress. What you should do next. Come back and watch this video again tomorrow. Repeat the story and vocabulary out loud. Speak with a friend or talk to yourself in English. Keep building your listening and shadowing routine. Remember, learning English is not about being perfect. It's about being consistent. Just 10 to 15 minutes of shadowing and listening each day can change how you think, how you speak, and how you see the world. Stay connected. If this video helped you, give it a like to support the channel. Leave a comment and tell me where you're learning English from. Even just writing, "I practiced today," helps you stay motivated. And don't forget to subscribe for more English learning videos with stories, speaking practice, and shadowing sessions every week. If you keep going, I'll be right here with you. In every video, every story, every lesson. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. This is Sam, wishing you a peaceful, focused, and successful English learning journey. Keep learning, keep speaking, and always believe in yourself. See you in the next video. Bye.